tianiwa kwa wa MCA batatu kurwa se ward ya Nyamaiya ward ya Kerenyo na bwige ward ya Nyansiongo cio cigotoka ase county ya Nyamira nigo gwakorekana ritukuria rero ase gikaro kia bene imeyamaga cyo bunge ye county ya Nyamira egikarikyo kiaba gikoragwa no monogeri bwe bunge eyo omusketa Dius Nyabaro aba MCA bwe Jeremiah Mogusu Jackson Mogusu kurwa ase ward ya Nyansiongo, Jeremiah Ngaro kurwa ase ward ya Kerenyo nabo igo Christian Siemo kurwa ase ward ya Nyamaiya nigo bachake mirimo yabo rimo rioka abwa sekero yomo aegwa ribaga ryokubwatoke nkwana yaye entangani kegima ase bunge yo una aba MCA omurikyo ito Fatigadi Gisemba nigekerana asamagachi bunge yo na gutwarigana ryo roboti rokubwatia
Omoerio ye nigo aba MCA abachore ase obochori oboke obwo bwakorekanete omutienyi oeta imeye ward ya Nyamaiya Nyansiongo na boigo Ekerenyo nigo rero batianiwa bene imeye bunge ye county ya Nyamira na guchaka emirimo yabo na aba MCA rimorioka.
I, Jackson Mogusu Mutumbe, do swear solemnly affirm that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly Member of Nyamira County.
That I shall at all times respect, uphold, preserve, protect, defend the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws conviction of Parliament, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Maiga kuba.
And even as I bring my house, we ensure that our people, here they are and there they are. We need, and I pray that alone I may not achieve, but collectively we will achieve.
Ensemo yaye Jackson Mogusu kurwa ase ward ya Nyansiongo nigo ateba ogutaikirania emeroberio eyo baragire buna aba MCA ya magenderero noro oiranirie county ya Nyamira Maiga ekibono asabire aba MCA bonsi bachichamo na kuria chinjira eyo wikirania biria bonsi baetirie kurwa ase bunge eyo.
Struggling because of slow or no implementation of projects. I wish to assure the people of Nyamira, the cry outside there is so loud. It's so loud. And we are going to use all the mechanisms available constitutionally to make sure that Nyamira is functional. Nyamira must be functional and the people must receive their due share in matters development, in matters service delivery, and in matters making laws.
Chingaki echecho nigo omo MCA Onyamaiya Chris Osiemo ensemo yaye ateba buna emeremo yaye emenene nokubwatania aba MCA bonsi na boigo oira chingaki echo na gutuma magombaye abene ochase chamate chonsi echo chasiretie abancho babo ase kenyoro kyarangenyo imeye ward eyo ya Nyamaiya ese ikageire buna abantu 11 nigo basiretie amagima abo abwabwo na abande batano noyomo nigo bagendrete kurwanirira obogima bwabo ase nyagitari enene ya Nyamira.
I don't want to isolate myself. I want to interact with my fellow MCAs. We work together. We want to do a unity of purpose. We want to unite. We work for our people. My people, we are mourning. Yesterday night, there was an accident along Chabera Road. Honorable Speaker, I want to say my condolences to the family and those who are in hospitals, quick recovery. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Kingo reporter Gatembe koraiga samaga chamanene ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira ayagotoka meye ward ya Township West Mugirango Inche Fatigadi Gisemba.